I hope I don't throw up.
Look who's in a hurry.
It's not bloody Halloween!
I know it was you!
That's the guilty bugger right there!
That's the guilty bugger.
See you! You're coming with me!
You won't get away with this.
There he is. Hit him.
Be off with you then!
See? That's them! They're hanging!
All right.
I see you, you murderer!
No need to get excited.
Say goodnight. That's the last time you do that around it. You're gonna get what's coming to you. I'll fix you.
Stop making us miserable!
We've got it down on here, haven't we?
What's happened?
We left you alone.
This might covers the shop.
That's almost better than whiskey.
I'm terribly sorry, sir. The Executive Committee have decided to close the parade to visitors for the duration.
Duration of what?
They neglected to specify, sir. But I have been specifically informed that it is unrelated to the dispersion of plague. So, you may put your mind at ease in that regard.
Then how the fuck am I supposed to get to the parade, you bell-headed turd?
Perhaps you can dig a tunnel, sir. Good luck.
Fuck's sake! He wasn't helping me anyways.
Aren't there already tunnels?
For the train tracks, oh sure, but there's no way past the hatch on the other side. Believe me, I've tried.
Then how does the Mottling get to the village from the mines on Appleholme?
You're right, there must be tunnels. Aye, so the parade's locked up tighter than a vicar's bumhole. Lovely. But there's the Mottling tunnels. Dr. Faraday has to have a map. Maybe she'll let me make a copy.
Careful. You know how there's all that joy gas in there? It's going to make you throw up. You better wear a gas mask. You know what joy does to you.
And people take joy on purpose.
Simon says, step on one lit platform.
Take a flying fuck at the moon! Wait, I didn't say Simon says. There's no one here but us ravens.
Fantastic! You did it! Here's some joy. You can never have too much joy, can you? Happiness is a choice. Simon says, step on 2 platforms.
Simon says, go drown yourself in the river!
Fantastic! You did it! Here's some joy. You can never have too much joy, can you? Happiness is a choice. Step on 3 lit platforms. Ha 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 ha! I didn't say Simon says. Now, Simon says, step on 3 lit platforms.
Back in your ma's fanny, you wank stain!
Fantastic! You did it! Here's some joy. You can never have too much joy, can you? Happiness is a choice. Now, for the last challenge, Simon says, step on all the lit platforms.
Act Toon and match Snell, you bloody charlatan! Don't ball your head! You're the first wee dick that's ever made me long for the real Jack!
Be sure to enjoy your day.
Good beef scrap. Never a good idea. Run it right down to your neighborhood butcher. They'll know what to do. You'll be happy to buy it. I'm happy to report that many homeowners are taking steps to ensure the security. Good to know that people are safe in their own homes. In their own homes. If you notice any suspicious characters skulking around your neighborhood, bar or your window, and inform a local policeman if you've been found. Nothing to worry about at all. Many shopkeepers are taking advantage of the lull and repairs to their establishments. Even more colorful. Shall we expect blue powder and red powder in the next few days? Very carefully. If your water's working, or at least sponge them off. Use supplies that you may have, at least until the sulfur powder has washed away. Again, nothing to be concerned about. Do be careful to take a few precautions and keep tuned to good old working.
Oi! This place is for people who want fresh blood. No snake.
You won't get away with this.
You won't get away with this.
I see ya. You're coming with me.
Did you fall into a thorn bush?
I don't
Some people don't know what's good for them.
I'm only trying to help you though.
Don't you think What would a cat drug in?
Please! Somebody!
You're awfully good at this.
You must take your joy immediately.
We'll look back
Take
on all
your
of this
joy,
and
you
laugh.
stinking...
You must take your joy immediately. You must take your joy immediately.
Thank God! We've been cooped up there forever. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, but there's been an absence of absence, I'm afraid.
James, you don't have to air our dirty laundry to every stranger that passes by.
If you do the wash, we wouldn't have so... Anyway, this is Ollie Starkey.
Who's he when he's at home?
We served together at Ramsgate.
Oh, Ramsgate. Sorry to intrude.
Jealousy doesn't look good on you, Roger.
You wouldn't happen to ken the whereabouts of Dr. Faraday?
Not actually sure. She was always talking about making a portal in the universe. It sounds ridiculous, but Roger says, well, we're a little worried she succeeded.
Don't tell anyone. If she has gone for good, we're out of work.
I was sort of hoping... Well, she designed the motorline pipes under the city, didn't she?
Oh, yes. That was one of the first things she did on her own, after Mr. Faraday went on holiday.
You're not going down into those tunnels, are you? It's like tangled hair down there. You know, like what's in the shower drain because certain people don't clean it.
I was hoping there might be, blueprints.
There must be, but the place is such a mess and she blew it up. The Bobbies won't even let us downstairs to water the plants.
If Dr. F comes back and they're all dead, we'll never hear the end of it.
Oh, that's too bad.
Ollie, they want you to do it.
Well, then why didn't they... I could water them for you.
Oh, would you? We could try and dig up your plans while you do.
Once again, the heroes of Ramsgate save the nation.
You must take your joy immediately. You must take your joy immediately.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
We'll make a gardener of you yet.
You must take your joy immediately. You must take your joy immediately.
think we found your blueprints.
Brilliant. Give us a look then.
The thing is, we need someone to pollinate the flowers down there.
Pollinate? Is your bum out the window?
You can't expect a soldier to know about flowers, James.
But we can't go down there, can we?
It's my bee cannon.
It's her bee cannon.
Well, she made it for me.
I thought you were worried about pollinating the plants.
All right, fine. Here's the bee cannon. You'll love it. It's got cannon in its name.
What am I to do with that?
Just find some bees, suck 'em up, go to the flowers, spit 'em out.
I'll do my best. Bees. There's no bloody bees in the village.
You must
Ah,
take your
damn
joy
it, it's back to the garden district, isn't it?
You must take your joy in the
You're not going.
Track, baby.
You must take your joy in the
They've got blood on their heads!
Why aren't you happy? You need to be happy.
There they are. Stop them.
Vengeance is mine, saith the Lord.
There! He's the one with the blood!
I see ya! That's the one with blood on his
head!
Smells like someone cleaned every surface with mortaline. Good thing I didn't smoke anymore. I'll give it a whirl. So that's not how you do it.
I think you should stick to what you know.
It's a dangerous business. You step onto the tracks, and if you don't keep your feet, there's no knowing whether you might be swept off to. Here we go. now arrived, thanks to the gods, through pathways rough and muddy. A certain sign that making roads is not this people's study. How the hell does all this work?
I did get one of them at Ramsgate.
Porkies. They're the only ones around here clever enough to plan for winter, and now they're pretty much fucked.
For Father Nature.
Look at telephones. I'm ready. Have I shown you the picture?
Well, Meg, shall we walk to Inverness, Edinburgh, or what's left of Aberdeen?
If that wasn't a train, what was it?
Where you going in such an hurry?
I know that you... Help us! Help!
He did it. I know he did it.
Clear off!
You rotten wet brake pit!
You.
He got blood all over him!
Well, no! But didn't you think that was funny? Crickets. Bloody crickets.
Maybe they found your blueprints by now.
Well, look at that.
There's a tunnel, but it's a bit dark.
It's under the Uncle Jack fan club.
They don't like you very much. Why?
We have a sort of disagreement about whether Uncle Jack's a very fine, funny fellow or a rotten, murdering, collaborationist traitor.
So that's why you smash all the televisions.
Roger, manners.
Have you got an escape plan for after you talk to the executive committee?
Why would I need an escape plan? I'm just going to tell the executive committee what's going on in the village. They're not going to shoot the messenger, are they? Then I'll just go back to my...
Home in the train station.
How would I escape, anyway?
Oh, I know. The parade float.
It'd be ridiculous, Roger.
What are you talking about?
The Uncle Jack fan club. They bring a giant balloon to the Battle of Flowers parade every year. It's enormous. It's supposed to be his head. Well, that could carry you away to, well, wherever the winds take you.
I suppose if I'm in the club anyway, I might as well grab the float. If nothing else, No one will have to look at Jack's head floating across the village on May Day.
You will need quite a lot of helium to fill it.
Oh, I'll jump off that bridge when I get to it.
Look, empty hydrogen tanks.
What am I going to do with empty ones?
The label, DSIR, the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. Well, you know, in Arkwright Labs. In the parade.
You think we can get the deposit back?
They must have full ones there.
Oh, what did I ever do to deserve you, Margaret? All right.
You will take your joy in ecstasy. You will take your joy in ecstasy.
Where do you think you'll...
Look at him.
I see you! You come... I know it was you!
Their hands are all bloody.
We've got a downer here, haven't we?
Put that down! Say goodnight!
He that believeth not, we'll have none of that
be
around
damned!
here.
Found ya!
Oh, it really takes it out with your shoulders.
Careful. You know how there's all that joy gas in there. It's going to make you throw up. You better wear a gas mask. You know what joy does to you.
Who do you think you are wearing that? see what all the fuss is about.
I won't have it.
Well, I'm glad all that nonsense
You
is
did
over.
it! You can't!
That's the one what done it!
You did it!
They
Here's
did
the
it.
one.
They did it. I know they did it.
They got blood on it. That's the one.
Well, I'm glad
They did it! There. I think I see the killer. Over there. There's the one that did it.
glad all the nonsense is over.
Black dog.
That's them.
You're gonna get what's coming to you.
I see ya.
Mouldy and dank. Just how I like it. Good. A bit of privacy of travelling won't hurt. How the hell does all this work? How the hell does all this work? So that's not how you do it.
You're awfully good at this.
Ow!
That's the guilty one.
Stop bringing me down!
The Uncle Jack fan club. I suppose they can't remember what he did during the war.
What did he do?
Voice of the Occupational Authority on the radio, wasn't he?
Careful, Ollie. You know what joy does to you.
Yeah.
I have discovered that Uncle Jack's hat is not red. It is blue. What?
No! I suppose
I conducted...
You won't get away with this. I know it was you.
Don't let him go!
Where did you
Someone needs a nap!
For God, for Harry and St. George.
Patience, Ollie.
And now it's time for Famous Britain.
How on earth did he get to be Uncle Jack?
Everybody likes him, except you.
Have they forgotten what he did?
People are forgetting a lot of things now.
Oh, I suppose they don't even know what he did to you. But how did they forget who it was on the German radio every night during the occupation? They locked him up after the victory.
People don't talk about the past anymore.
When did they let him out?
You've forgotten things too, you know.
I bet it's all up there.
They don't need a cook. They need a maid.
Where's the bloody parade balloon? You could hide the Tsar and all his relations up here and no one's the wiser. Time to get the float out of here.
Ollie!
I said float. What did you think I said?
We didn't come here for the float. We came here to get into the Motoline tunnels.
How do we gang out of here?
When you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth.
You want me to go up the chimney? Like Santa Claus after he's eaten up all the biscuits?
Didn't you read the plans? There's a secret passage and a hatch.
I knew there was a hatch here. I hope it really does go to the tunnel to Appleholme. We haven't been in the parade in a while, have we, Margaret? I hope the executive committee listens. I hope they're willing to tell people the truth.
Don't forget to get some hydrogen for your float, in case it doesn't go well in the broadcast tower.
I hope you're wrong, Margaret. How the hell does all this work? So, that's not how you do it.
I think you should stick to what you know.
What happened here?
Ollie, look out! He's about to stop fighting people!
Big witches. Here. Well, I guess we'll meet in hell. Sorry you had to see that. No one seems to live here anymore. Might be a good place to camp out.
Oh, look at all the pretty clothes. What are you doing in my playhouse?
Margaret. It was raining.
Your legs are all wet.
They shot you. You ran and they shot you.
You're still drunk.
Are you gonna haunt me?
Do you want me to go away?
No, please don't.
I think you're sitting on Helga.
Sorry, Helga.
I almost finished her. She's ever so upset about her apron. She likes everything to be just so. Could you finish her for me?
We don't like costume parties here.
We just want to make you feel better.
No, we don't.
Are you sure this is the only way?